Cancer, there's a strong shift in your energy that's quietly guiding you toward alignment and clarity. This reading is timeless, so take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Hi, it's Ira. Let's dive into the energies that are moving through your life right now. The first energy moving in is emotional clarity. Cancer, this is about finally seeing your feelings and situations without distortion. You may have been clouded by old patterns, fears, or assumptions, and now the truth is becoming undeniable. You realize what truly supports your growth and what doesn't. This clarity allows you to approach decisions with a calm and steady heart rather than reacting impulsively. This emotional clarity also helps you communicate more effectively with others. You can articulate what you need, where you stand, and how you feel without over-explaining or second-guessing. The surprising part is how freeing this becomes. Once you accept your own perspective, everything around you begins to make sense. The second energy is support arrives. Something or someone enters your life to help you navigate challenges or enhance your growth. You may have been handling a lot alone, and now external guidance or practical assistance comes in exactly when you need it. This could be a person offering advice, a new opportunity, or a resource that changes your trajectory. You don't need to chase this support. It comes naturally when you're aligned with your path. The impact is tangible. You feel relief, momentum, and a renewed sense of confidence that you are not alone in what you're trying to accomplish. The third energy is release old patterns. Cancer, you've been carrying emotional baggage, old disappointments, or attachments that no longer serve you. This card signals a natural clearing process. Letting go doesn't require effort or force. It happens when you finally see these patterns for what they are and choose something better. This release lightens your emotional load. You feel more open, responsive, and magnetic to opportunities that genuinely align with your growth. You'll notice that situations you once struggled with now feel manageable or irrelevant. The energy of letting go creates room for your next chapter to arrive. The fourth energy is unexpected opportunity. Something shifts in your life in a way you didn't anticipate. This may look like a career advancement, a new connection, or an opening in a project you care about. The key here is timing. It happens when you're aligned and ready, not before. Before we move forward, Cancer, if you want a complete 2026 forecast covering love, career, finances, and spiritual growth, it's available for $155, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the year ahead. The fifth energy is balance restored. After periods of stress or uncertainty, your internal and external equilibrium starts to return. You feel more grounded, emotionally regulated, and capable of making decisions without overthinking. As balance restores, relationships, finances, and personal growth align more naturally. You notice that when you don't force outcomes, situations start to resolve in ways that feel comfortable and right. This stability is both practical and deeply satisfying. The sixth energy is intuitive insight. Your intuition becomes sharper and more reliable. Subtle nudges, gut feelings, and repeated signs become easy to recognize and act upon. By trusting your inner guidance, you avoid unnecessary setbacks and step into opportunities that align with your higher purpose. Following your intuition allows you to move forward decisively. You'll see that things that once felt confusing suddenly fall into place, and you naturally gravitate toward choices that strengthen your path. The seventh energy is recognition. Cancer, your consistent effort and authenticity begin to be noticed. This doesn't always mean public acknowledgement. Sometimes it's internal, a sense of validation that you're on the right track. If this reading resonates, take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It helps these messages reach others who need them. The eighth energy is fulfillment. This shows the culmination of your emotional, mental, and practical efforts. You feel satisfaction, peace, and confidence in your path. Cancer, you recognize that the challenges you faced were preparing you for this moment of alignment, where your energy, intentions, and opportunities converge. Affirmation: I trust my inner guidance, release what no longer serves me, and embrace the support and opportunities flowing into my life.